Question number 84. This question is related to the gene regulation mechanism, and here in this question we have asked here the gene regulation governing lactose operon of E. coli that involve LEC-I gene product. Actually the LEC operon, if we see the process of LEC operon, we can have a simple diagram. There are three structural genes Z, Y, A. Then we have an operator gene and a promoter gene. And there will be an I gene, or you can say the regulator gene. Now in this case, regulator gene produces mRNA, and from mRNA there will be an active repressor protein. Active repressor. This repressor protein binds to the operator and stops transcription. This is the process in LEC operon. The product of I gene, that is called repressor, binds to the operator, as a result of which the transcription of all these three genes stops. Now when binding of anything on DNA, on operator, if it stops transcription, it is called negative regulation. So the regulation mode for this one is the negative. And because repressor is inhibiting the transcription, so we require someone who activates this one. And for that we have inducer lactose. Lactose is inducer, and it starts and induces this working of LEC operon by deactivating the repressor. So in this option, first option which is given here, that is a negative regulation. Of course it is negative regulation, okay, and negative as well as inducible, because here the lactose, which is called inducer, will induces and start the transcription. So it is negative as well as inducible operon. And why it is inducible? Because repressor protein prevents transcription. When repressor prevents transcription, then we require the induction, and induction is provided by lactose. So the better and the right answer for this entire question, answer for this question is first option.
Question number 85. According to this question, does not favor the formation of dilute urine. Options: caffeine, renin, ANF, alcohol. Caffeine, alcohol are diuretic substance. They decrease ADH secretion in the body. So, they increase urine volume. Caffeine and alcohol produce dilute urine. They increase urine volume, so they produce dilute urine. So, does not favor. So, option first and fourth wrong. Now, option number second and third. Renin. Renin increase water and sodium reabsorption and increase blood volume and decrease urine volume. Renin increase blood volume and decrease urine volume. So this one not produce dilute urine. ANF, option number third. It inhibits the secretion of renin and stop the RAS mechanism. So ANF increase excretion of water. So it does not. ANF also produce urine, dilute urine. So this is wrong. So does not favor the formation of dilute urine, renin, because it increase blood volume and decrease urine volume. So question number 85, answer is second. Answer second.
Question number 86. What causes a green plant exposed to the light on only one side to bend toward the source of the light as it grows? This question can be explained on the basis of oxygen gradient theory proposed by F.W. Wendt. As Wendt stated that on exposure of the light to the tip of any coleoptile, there is such kind of a exposure of the light lead to the traveling of the oxygen from the illuminated side to shaded side. So the oxygen start to travel from illuminated area to shaded area, and a significant amount of oxygen also get oxidized on illuminated side. Consequently, the concentration of oxygen increase on shaded area and as compared to the illuminated area. So on this shaded area, oxygen started to play their significant role. As we know that the main task or physiological job of the oxygen is enlargement of the cell. So on this shaded area, there is the greater enlargement of the cell, so it will start to bend towards the source of light. So as per the given choices, oxygen accumulate on the shaded side, so stimulate the greater cell elongation here. That's the answer for the question number 86.